how to add the YouTube music recently played widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next we go down and then tap on widgets. From here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on YouTube music. Next, we then scroll down and then touch and hold on the recently played widget and drag it and drop it onto your home screen and let go. And that's it. Here I can make it larger or smaller, and I can move the widget to the top of the screen. Here you can tap on the play button to resume playing music, or you can pause, you can like or unlike. Here you can tap on the bottom to add in more songs to recently play. And there it is. That is how you can add the YouTube music recently played widget to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.